Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you download iCloud photos to iPhone. So guys, to do this, at first just go to any browser. After going to any browser, just search for icloud.com/photos. Now after that, you need to sign in with your iCloud. After signing in with your Apple ID, you need to just select the photo that you want to download. Just like if I select this one. After selecting the photo, just click the top right this three dot icon, and here you can see download, the third option. Click on download, and after clicking download, the photo will be downloaded from iCloud. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.